Calendar View. The TaxDome calendar helps you track jobs and tasks by dates, making it easier to stay organized and on top of deadlines. The calendar is accessible by going to the Workflow section and selecting the Calendar page. Here you can see all your jobs and tasks start and due dates if the start date and the due date are set. If you want to check more urgent tasks and jobs due date, you can enable the Show Due Date Only toggle. Please note, jobs and tasks could be automatically created in the pipeline, but the start date may be set later. The left and right arrows at the top of the page allow you to look at tasks and jobs from either past and future months for better task prioritization. To go back to the default view, click the Today button. You can also change the filters on the calendar. The default view on the calendar is by the month, but you can also see your pending items by week or by day. At the top center of the page, you'll find quick filter buttons for tasks and jobs. These let you hide other details, making your calendar view more focused. If you need to update a task or job, click on it to bring up a side panel, make your changes, and save, all without leaving the page. To make your calendar view even more relevant, use the Advanced Filter button on the top right corner of the page. Here you can create your own filters or even use filter templates to save time.